goggles.
Okay.
Keep looking.
Oh, nope, you're cold. You're cold.
Keep looking.
Keep walking. Getting warmer. Oh, no. Turn around. Zoom in. There you go.
Bring it over here, buddy.
Oh, boy.
Hey,
Is there some more, maybe?
where else can we sit?
Let's keep looking.
Okay, now we're getting it. Now we're getting it. How about some more? Do you think we can find some more? Where do you think? Put your zoom lens on.
Umi goggles.
Zoomy goggles. Umi goggles.
Yes.
There's over there.
Where? Where else can we sit, baby? Cam?
I don't think so, bud.
Where else can we
Come
sit?
on back this way, getting very cold. Come on back this way.
Where else do we sit down, Bubby? Use your Umi goggles. Look around.
This one.
Good job.
Keep looking. Go get it.
Oh, can you reach it?
Yeah, grab it. There you go. Put it in your bucket.
The carpet. It's fun more.
Wait,
Okay,
where else?
Where
Keep
would you
looking.
sit if Grandma and I were, if you and Grandma were out here?
This one.
Another one.
At the car. No, let's find another one.
Well,
Where do you take another one?
This one.
oh my goodness, you are so good at this.
That's where the carpet.
Oh.
Okay, and I think there is one more.
Two
Two more?
No, three more, I think. Where do you like to play?
This was always the fun part of it.
This one.
Just trying to remember how many there were.
Well, that's when we open the door and let the dogs out.
Well, let's see. That's to put in your bank.
Is that coins for your bank?
Your Minnesota or bus bank?
Let's put them in.
Okay.
And what else?
There's one more.
Nope, there's two more.
Oh, there's three more.
Three?
Oh, come
Oh.
on. Oh, my.
Grandma should have mixed these up just a little bit more.
Wow. 2 pennies. 2 quarters.
Oh, boy.
Where else?
This one.
Wow, you are so good with your zoomy goggles.
Umi goggles.
Umi goggles. Hey, now.
You're getting closer.
Goomy, goomy.
Are you
And
going to go home
then,
and put those in your bank?
Oh,
And
he
I
loves
think
to put
that-
things in his bank.
I think there is one more. And
Okay.
if you climb very
Maybe if you climb up on your slide
high,
and look around, what do you think?
if you
Go climb up the
very
stairs.
high,
Come up your stairs, buddy.
This one. I found all my
You found all your eggs. Good job.
eggs.
It's a good thing there wasn't 17 of them because there'd still be one out here, number 16.
All right. Good job.
yay!